Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to left and right of page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add page border to left or right side. Go to the master pages option and double click on the master page. Then select the shapes drop down menu and we can see here the rectangle shape. Then we select it and draw the rectangle to the left side. You can add black color. Now I select the fill color and choose black. Then select the move tool and click the shape, then click right button on our mouse and choose copy, then paste in front of, then show the guides and move it right side. Then disable the master pages and double click on the main page. Now we can see we add border to the left and right side of page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.